Hello. What I've got for you today is my attempt at a replica of the lock plate from the box found in Cumwitton Grave 1. It's very characteristic of a Viking style lock in that it's got the large lock plate and all of the actual hardware will be recessed into a mortise cut in the chest. Now I'm going to run through how it works and then how it's put together. So the first thing we've got to do is unlock it. Now I don't have the proper materials to make a key, so what I did is I fashioned one out of bent wire. But it does what it needs to do. So we insert the key, goes through the slot, as you can see, and then it comes into a slot cut in the back of the lock. That would then get pulled out. I'll switch hands so you can see. That gets pulled out, and this can then move. And you'll notice that the actual locking bar has moved there. And if I were to lock it again, the locking bar has returned. So the next step is taking it apart and showing you how it comes together. So now that I've removed the two screws holding it closed, when this is actually installed in the box, there'll be nails in all of the small holes you can see, and I intend to push them all the way through the box and then clasp them back around the other side so you can't just pull the lock plate off. So we remove the lock plate, which reveals the actual mortise in the wood and the locking bar itself. Now, to be fair, this is somewhat bodged together out of what I had to hand, but it works, and that's the important part. So you can see, at the moment, it can't move, and that's because there's a leaf spring attached to this side, which engages into that part there. That's actually a few millimeters higher than the area here, which is where it will normally sit. And until it's lifted, it cannot slide past that. Of course, once this is lifted, it will just sit there and can happily be moved. This again, quite simple. It's got a slot for the key, slot for the locking bar, and in the final piece there'll also be a small slot here through which the key, or a superior replacement, can be inserted. So I hope that was interesting, I hope that all made sense, and have a great day.